so today I am doing a different kind of video. I have ordered a bunch of jewelry from AliExpress and this is the first time that I'm ordering jewelry from them. I have ordered other things like phone cases and all, but I have never ordered jewelry. So today I will be like opening the packages and seeing if the jewelry is exactly like the picture that they showed on the website, and also if it's worth the wait, because you have to wait for at least a month or maybe even 2 to get your delivery. I got my orders within a month, so I had these many packages. I know it looks less, but there are at least like 10 packages here. So let's just go ahead and see if it's actually worth the wait and the price that I paid for. And also, if you're new to my channel and if you like what you see so far, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that way you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, now without further ado, we should just get started with this video. Okay, so I have opened all the packages just from the top to save some time, and I haven't peeped inside it, so it's like a complete surprise for me as well. And we'll just go ahead and see what's inside this first packet. Okay, so it's the set of rings that I ordered. There were like 10 rings. I just counted there are 10 rings in total, so I'm not missing any ring here. Quality of the ring so far looks good, but I'm afraid this will also wear its color off like all the fake rings do. So I'm gonna rate this 4.5 out of 5. It's exactly like I pictured. The only thing here is that I had no clue about the sizes. Some of them are really big for my fingers, so I'm not sure if I will be able to wear them. Moving on, the next thing that I got is 3 things. So I guess this is from the same seller. Let's just start with the earrings first. So these are what the earrings look like on their website, and it's very similar to that. There are several different colors available, but I just picked white and navy blue. I'm gonna rate them 4.5 again because it's exactly like the way I pictured them to be, but I feel the price is a little bit on the higher side. And from the same seller I got a necklace which looks something like this. It kind of looks exactly like the picture, but the gold bar here on the second layer is not similar because I feel like in the picture it's thicker than this. So I got this for 35 rupees, and I think for the price it's totally worth it. I'm just sad about the marks on this gold bar. I think I'll rate this 3.5 out of 5. Moving on, the next thing that I have here is okay, what? So it's a bracelet. So this is what the picture looked like, and yup, it is big for my hand. So I got this for 60 rupees, and I'm gonna rate this a 4 out of 5. Okay, 3.5 out of 5 because I feel like we can find such kadas here in India. The next thing that I got is a pack of rings. So this is what the picture looks like, and there are like 5 rings in total. Coming to the sizes, I think I can make this work. There are 5 rings here, 4 of them are just plain bands. So I think I'll give this like a 3 out of 5 just because of its price. Next thing I got is a necklace again. This is what the image looks like on their website, and I got this for 50 rupees. Now 50 rupees for a choker I feel is okay, like that is what you get over here as well. Quality wise, it's too damn good. I feel like this will go on with any and every outfit. So I'm gonna give this a 4 out of 5 just because of its price. I'm gonna reduce 1 star, but otherwise I think it's totally worth it. The next thing that I got is, okay, 2 things. So one is a earring which I was so excited about. This is what it looks like on their website, and this is what it looks like in person. Finishing is not that great. Quality of the wire here is really delicate, so I feel like it will break anytime. And also I don't know if you can see, but one earring, like the hoop is bigger than the other one, so that again I'll have to adjust myself, but then I'm really worried I'll just break this. I'm gonna rate this 2.5 out of 5 just because it's very delicate and I didn't expect this quality. And from the same seller I got this necklace. It was for 45 rupees. It's a choker and it's in gold. I'm gonna rate this 4.5 out of 5 because it's really unique. We don't find such necklaces here, like at least till now I haven't seen it. Moving on, the next thing that I got is bracelet. Ouch! Ow, 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 ow! Okay, it hurts. The arrow is really sharp. So I have kind of arranged them according to the size of my wrist, and I'm so happy about it. Like finally I get a bracelet in my size and it looks decent. I expected this, the knot cuff to be a little thicker. Like in the picture also it looks a little thicker. I'm gonna rate this a 4 out of 5 because it fit me perfectly. Very customizable according to your wrist. Okay, I know the video is turning out to be really long, but next thing that I got is 2 earrings again. Oh my god, this is the earring that I ordered. Are you serious? This is what it looks like on the website, and this is what it looks like on me. It looks nothing like the picture. The chain is so small here. Although it's for just 17 rupees, but still I expected the chain to be longer. Okay, next earring is something which looks something similar to the picture, but In the picture, it looks like it's like a really heavy earring. Here, the metal is so thin. 80 rupees for this earrings. I'm gonna give this 3.5 out of 5 because it looks good, but it's nothing the way I imagined it to be. The next thing that I got is a necklace. So this is what it looked like, and I feel like it's very similar to that. I got this in silver. They also have this in gold if you want. The price shows 149 right now, but I'm very sure I got this for under 100. I'm gonna rate this a 4 on 5 because it looks exactly like the picture, but the price, I think it's a little too high. Next thing I got is a packet of hoop earrings. This for approx like 70 rupees something, and on Romway or Shein I guess it's about 100 rupees. It looks exactly like the picture. I'm gonna rate this a 5 on 5 because it's so worth it. Next thing that I got is a necklace again. So this is what it looks like on the picture. The bar so it's a little shorter than this, so the triangle and the bar is like really close to each other compared to this. The length looks really awkward. I got this for 40 rupees and I think for the price it's totally worth it. I'm gonna rate this a 4.5 out of 5. Moving on, the seller has sent me a lot of things. First thing is a kada, and this is what it looked like in the picture. I'm gonna just wear it. Wow, I am loving this. This was for approx 90 rupees. There are some minor defects here and there, but otherwise I think I'm gonna rate this a 4.5 out of 5 because like finally a bracelet in my size and it looks good. Next thing I got from the seller are these earrings, and oh my god, they're so pretty. I really loved this one. This one was actually my mom's choice. I got them in 3 different shades, like you can see. This is what it looks like on the model. I think it looks very similar to that. I got them for 50 rupees each and I think it's worth the price. I'm totally gonna rate this a 4.5 out of 5 because I can see myself wearing it a lot. Okay, finally the last thing is a necklace, and it looks really tiny. It's a choker necklace again. I got this for 60 rupees and I think it's totally worth the price that you are paying because it's so shiny. It looks really good, well made. So I'm gonna rate this a 5 on 5 because it looks exactly like the picture. So that was it for this video. If you are wondering, these earrings are also from AliExpress. I got it a while back. And don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up if you would like to see more such first impressions haul. Comment down below and let me know your favorite things from this haul. Mine has to be the last necklace. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye!